See all this gunk? Watch this. So it's been 3 years since this car's been out of the garage. Lauren's been working on this car for a hot minute. We've been here countless hours, freaking countless days, weekends, you name it. So today we're gonna be just ice blasting under this car because it's quite dirty. I'm gonna go under there and show you, but just wanna walk around this car real quick because, dude, it's been a minute since we've seen this thing outside. Cool fitment. This is 9.5s, 15 9.5s. Got a new trunk, new exhaust. We're gonna be crawling up in there later to show you guys how dirty this is because, yeah, it's pretty bad. So, let's go. So under the car, you can see it's mighty dirty. Look at all this crap right here. Whoever owned this car before did not take care of this car. They lived in a friggin' farm or something. Look at all this crap. We're gonna clean all that right there. And then way back here, look at all this. Pretty dirty. I mean, Lauren did a good job cleaning this thing up, but it's still pretty bad. So we're gonna work on the subframe, this area right here for now, and then I'll show you guys after because it's pretty crazy how this ice stuff works. See all this gunk? Watch this. Look at that. Brand freaking new. That's insane. See this whole thing right here? Watch this. Look at that. And I'm just half-assing it right now. We're not literally just spending time doing it. And you can also turn this down so you're not chipping anything. Obviously down here, I'm not gonna care about that because there's nothing that I'm worried about. So look at this. All this crud right here, watch this. Look at that. The more time you spend doing it, and then you finesse the pressure and the size of the ice, it comes out a lot nicer. But look at that, dude. That's insane.